Bryce, is your cord long enough to stand on those over there?
It's 30 feet, so I mean...
30 feet? Because do you think you could both start recording? What?
I've seen that video.
The video's basically
Oh, for the regular show song?
Yeah.
But I was gonna
You should do that.
but I never really have.
But I'm just saying, you can do it too because we're still running through it twice before you have to come back. And then you can just play the chords and walk back. Bam,
Yeah, but I'm going to talk before too. So I'm going to segue into it. Yeah, or else, so we can preface that we're doing a regular show cover. So yeah, no, honestly.
Get his ass.
Dave, wait, whose side are you on, Dave? Don't grab my hat. That's a warning.
They're under construction last time. So
The green rooms? Yeah, dude, we didn't get one last time.
Dude, it's so dope that we get a second gate between the openers and that us.
Oh. Thank you.
You got it. I'll get some signage on that door.
There's ice. Bro, they gave us ice in here.
We've never gotten ice before.
Yeah, I know.
Ice fight.
What the fuck? Bro, oh, we can hang up our suits? Oh, hell yeah.
Oh, fuck yeah.
Because honestly, we can be like this until
I don't
like...
want to wear those.
We gotta get some flicks in here of you guys.
Some flicks.
Yeah, I have the digi, so we can.
We have a shower?
Hey,
No.
dude, you know it, dude.
Dude, check me out. Yeah, bro. Fuck! You little bitch.
I want like a little formatting
We're
one,
so
too.
cool for you.
Nice.
Should we do an MTV Cribs video?
You should. That'd be pretty funny.
Dude, you can knock on the door when we can answer.
This is our crib. This is Bryce's nuts.
We can like go to the bathroom and Dave and just be like,
You'll see Bryce's nuts
do
across
that?
Vinny's forehead.
This is cool.
This is cool.
It's like really fucking. We also got a coffee machine. Dude, and
We're still new to green rooms, Katie. We don't get many green
Dude,
rooms.
we have a fucking shower.
Oh,
Oh,
God. Smell that if you need it.
Been driving all day.
Dude, yeah, for my other show, it was way cooler.
Does anyone know what time we're sound checking?
Soon, probably.
Crash really low right now. I can't sound
go
check.
You guys ready?
Hold on. I almost lost.
That was awesome.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Fuck.
You got clock
W.
Just a little bit of the whole kit for us. Thank you. I'll take bass next. See that guitar? A little bit. Play it for me. See, play anything like heavier? Yeah, like your.
take center guitar now. Okay, cool. I'll take center vocal next.
Okay. Vocals testing. Woo! 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 Sundrive! Let's go, Sundrive! Woo! Marquee Theater! Woo! I'm Bryce. I'll do vocals and play guitar on Sundrive. Boom, 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 boom,
If you're gonna yell at that thing, yell. That's what I want to hear.
There you go.
Give me how you're gonna perform tonight, my friend. That's what I want.
yeah, man, we're gonna be loud.
Give me a little bit of that. Give me something loud.
Oh.
Yeah. Give me, check.
I wanted you to need me. I wanted love.
There you go. Got your sound check.
So tired of this back and forth, destructive, that's the core. Now I gotta go. Yeah, I can hear that.
That's plenty.
Check 1, check 2. Check. Check 1, check 2, check 3. Damn, that sounds like Halo.
Hello. She's like, oh.
Rice nipple has nice nipples. Rice nipple has nice nipples, yeah.
If you're gonna be louder than that, please sing louder for me now.
I'm not gonna sing.
You're not gonna sing? You're not gonna talk to nobody? You're not gonna be like, hey, what's up, Marquee? Sing to me tonight.
What the fuck is a marquee?
That's what I'm talking about. There you go. That'd be great shit. Thanks, guys. You wanna do one more?
You said you just want a little bit drums in your monitors?
Yeah, please.
Cool. Alright, I'll just mix in some drums in there. You guys can go.
What is the pool?
pretty good shape. I just want to check some, I want to check this reverb on that vocal.
Okay.
While I was dialing that up. So go ahead and why don't you guys play like that before you leave the drum kit there? Why don't you play like that chorus of that last song you played for me?